Hey, what's up guys? In this video I just want to go over how to use the end screen and the cards feature on your YouTube videos. So I just uploaded this video here. I'm going to click on the pencil to edit it, and if you scroll down on the right, first we have the end screen. So I'll click on that pencil to edit. It gives you a bunch of different templates. I like to use just the top left one. It's able to show you, ooh, I got a new subscriber. It's going to show you which video, and also on the top right it's going to have a link to your channel. So when you click on the video, you can click edit, and that you can choose any video you want to refer to. So I'll choose this one, and you can change it anytime you like. And you see up here it says 20 seconds to 31 seconds. That's the time the element is going to be on the screen. So the minimum time you can do is 5 seconds. So I like to put it right at the end. So I'm going to do around 25 to 31, so it's like 5.5 seconds, and save that. So it's going to show up at the end of my video. You don't want it to be too long, or else it's going to block what's on your video. But you can put this element, it doesn't necessarily have to be at the end. You can put it any time during your video. If you want it to pop up in the middle, you can, but I like to put mine at the end. A very useful feature, especially if you're trying to link to a video that relates to this video, or you just want a video to get more views. You can link them all to that video. And then the cards feature is very interesting as well. Basically, you can place little reminders, little flags during your video at any time. So just to give you an example, if I click video, choose a video you like, here, that one, easy mic setup. So you'll see, right now I have it at the 0 second. I can put it at the 10-second mark. At the 10-second mark, that's going to pop up, and it's going to say easy mic and camera ... If you want to make it like a teaser, just say easy setup. So now that just pops up. It's kind of cleaner looking, and they click it, and it'll link right to that video. Click save. Taking a few seconds here, but yeah, the cards are great. You can put multiple cards throughout the video. So this one's a link to a video. You can also put a card to a playlist. Say I want to put a card to that playlist. I put anytime you want, that around the 20-second mark, at the 2017 mark, yes. And same thing, you can put a teaser, click here, whatever you want. Save that. And then now I've got two cards, one for a video and one for a playlist. But really, these are nice little easy ways to get their attention, to click on links that are important to you. But these features are excellent. You need to use these if you want to get drive views to your channel. But really, those two features, don't skip out on them. And to use the end screen feature, your video has to be longer than 25 seconds. All right. Anything shorter, the option will just be blacked out. All right. Well, if this was helpful at all, just please give me a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and rock on.